Yogakshema Ayurveda Center is a holistic healing facility that aims to practice the ancient science of Ayurveda to restore and rejuvenate the body, mind, and the soul. It is situated in the picturesque, antiquated town of Hassan, known as Poor Man's Ooty, located in the southwestern part of Karnataka in India. Yogakshema Ayurveda Center has evolved through the inspired vision of Dr. D. Virendra Hegde, Dharmadhikari of Sri Kshetra Dharmasthala, a philanthropist and social reformer who has been working for rural development and transforming the educational as well as medical landscape for over 45 years. Yogakshema is functioning with the motto of promoting healthy, balanced and happier way of life for all. To achieve this, the center concentrates on reviving the physical, mental, emotional and spiritual elements with a blend of Ayurveda medicine, yoga, pranayama and meditation. The Holistic Healing Center has developed unique treatment methodology which combines Ayurvedic cures, modern medical advancements and spirituality. Every treatment begins with a prayer of Lord Dhanvantari, the god of Ayurveda, adding spiritual essence to the cure. Yogakshema Ayurveda Center consists highly experienced Ayurvedic practitioners, doctors, therapists and nutritionists who work together to provide comprehensive wellness plans. This healing center provides a serene place to restore health, which is assisted by pure and authentic Ayurvedic therapies. The weather at Hassan is conducive for growing the common and the rare medicinal herbs used in the various Ayurvedic treatments at the center. The healing commences with the moment guests arrive at the facility. Accommodation ranges from deluxe rooms to the suite, which comprises an assistant room, small kitchen, waiting room and a personal treatment room. Each room is individually designed to create an ambience of calm, relaxed and soothing comfort. The typical day at Yogakshema begins with the energizing morning walk in the facility, which spreads around 40 acres with lush greenery all around, followed by yoga practice, which helps to keep the body and soul in control. Treatment starts with a medical consultation, followed by the customized treatments prescribed by the Ayurvedic doctors. Various Ayurvedic therapies like Abhyanga, Shirodhara, Udvartanam, Churnasvedam, Talam, Katibasti, Shirobasti, Shweta will be accomplished as per the diagnosis. Ayurveda believes in balanced diet, So does the Patya restaurant, which serves sattvic food to the guests at this facility. One can have a siesta or learn soft skills like knitting at leisure. Afternoon treatments will be executed as per the directions of the healers. The center also offers beauty therapies which are inspired by the herbal and Ayurvedic system. The day at Yogakshema ends with meditation. At the heart of the center, a circular meditation hall has been constructed which shall be used for meditation in the evening. The ambience is ideal to attain tranquility in serene environment. Early dinner and early bedtime is followed at Yogakshema, which helps to attain quick heal. All modern amenities like gym, personal television and library will ensure that you are in a place which has complete comfort while experiencing the carefully administered treatments. You can join us at Yogakshema to feel the essence of Ayurveda.